Hello and welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to use this free image tool by Google, and you can use it to make amazing YouTube thumbnails. Let's paste in an example prompt right here. Make me an epic YouTube thumbnail image, and the text have to be big in the thumbnail image. My video topic is about, in this example, unboxing my gaming PC with RTX 5090. Alrighty, it's done. And this is the 4 images you get. There are slight differences in each one. And you can add in other elements like characters, real person faces. So let me adjust this prompt. Alright, so I adjusted the prompt. Include either a real face or an exaggerated facial expression with another character, and you can see it gave me 4 different thumbnails to choose from, and I can just click download to easily download right there. I can copy. This is just simply amazing, and there doesn't seem to be a limit of how many images you can create, and it's really fast as well. I'll leave the link down below. Check it out and let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again for watching.